This is a quick 5-minute meditation for exacerbated pain. If you have recently re-injured or exacerbated some pain in any part of your body, sit down in a quiet place, focus on my words, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, gently close your eyes. Take deep breaths, inhaling slowly through the nose and slowly out of the nose. Continue these deep breaths as you focus on the area of pain. Breathe in to the area of pain. As you breathe out, visualize the pain spreading, thinning, and weakening. Continue to do this for just a minute. Breathe into the area of pain. Breathe out. Feel it dispense, weaken, ease. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now place your awareness on your heart space. See a glowing green orb of light. With every inhale, visualize this bright green light growing stronger, bigger, more intense. And as you breathe out, feel this energy orb traveling towards your area of pain. With every inhale, the light intensifies. With every exhale, it moves closer to your area of pain. Once it's reached there, breathe into this area. Feel the cool, healing elements of your heart energy, absorbing the pain, cooling the inflammation, relaxing the muscle, the joint, the entire area. Breathe into it and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out the pain. Continue to do this for just a moment. Now, one final inhale, real big, all the way to the top. Hold it there for a moment. And when it feels good to you, release your breath along with any pain or discomfort. Return to your day feeling the gratitude for taking the time to heal yourself. Create a miraculous day, my friends. Namaste.